Hello, welcome to the Knott Network.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Mary.
We are theme park bloggers covering theme parks, conventions, haunts, and themed attractions and events in Southern California.
We've been waiting for you.
We take you behind the scenes to grand openings, farewells, celebrations, and all the excitement in between.
Here are some of the adventures we have captured over the years. As Knott's Network, not only do we update you on all the latest in Southern California theme parks, we support and promote local businesses, creators, artists, and haunters.
We adore all of the cast and crew of Knott's Berry Farm and grateful for all the magic they have created for us.
Thank you to all our fans and followers for a wonderful 9 years. We are excited to capture and update you all on the themed entertainment goodness this year and the years to come.
Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow us on all of our adventures, and we shall see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.